FastMCP 3 implements a hierarchical provider pattern for resource discovery, where the SkillsDirectoryProvider serves as a composite provider that aggregates multiple skill directories into a unified MCP resource interface. This provider-based architecture enables dynamic composition of skill resources from disparate file system locations, with each directory acting as a discrete source of skill definitions. The upcoming code snippet will demonstrate how to initialize a FastMCP server with a SkillsDirectoryProvider, configured to scan multiple root directories for skill discovery, establishing a precedence-based fallback mechanism between project-level and user-level skill repositories. This configuration pattern allows the server to expose skills from both locations while maintaining a clear priority order for resource resolution.
From passlib import path. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider. MCP equals FastMCP skills. MCP, add provider skills directory provider roots equals. Path, cwd/Claude/skills, hash project level skills first. Path home/Claude/skills, hash user level fallback.
This code demonstrates the FastMCP provider pattern for resource discovery, specifically configuring a SkillsDirectoryProvider with multiple root directories for skill discovery. The provider pattern allows FastMCP servers to aggregate resources from multiple sources, making them available to clients through a unified interface. Here, we're using the SkillsDirectoryProvider to expose skill directories as MCP resources, enabling clients to discover and access skills programmatically. The configuration specifies two root directories: a project-level skills directory, Claude skills, in the current working directory, and a user-level fallback directory, Claude skills, in the user's home directory. This hierarchical approach allows for project-specific skills to take precedence over user-wide skills, providing flexibility in skill management. The SkillsDirectoryProvider scans these directories for valid skill, folders those containing a skill. MD file and exposes each skill as a set of MCP resources, including the main instruction file, a manifest of supporting files, and the supporting files themselves. This approach is particularly useful in development environments where skills might be shared across projects or teams. By using multiple roots, developers can maintain a personal library of skills while also leveraging project-specific skills. The provider pattern ensures that all these skills are discoverable and accessible through the FastMCP server, regardless of their physical location on the file system. This design promotes reusability and modularity, key principles in building scalable and maintainable AI assistant systems. Let's break it down.
From passlib import path.
Imports path from the pathlib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which is the main class for creating MCP servers.
From FastMCP server provider's skills, import SkillsDirectoryProvider.
Imports the SkillsDirectoryProvider class from the FastMCP server provider skills module, which provides access to AI agent skills stored in directory structures.
MCP equals FastMCP skills.
Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier skills that will be visible to clients during MCP protocol handshakes. The string parameter serves as a server label for identification purposes only, without affecting functional behavior or configuration.
MCP, add provider skills directory provider roots equals. Path, cwd/Claude/skills, hash project level skills first.
Adds a SkillsDirectoryProvider to the MCP instance, configuring it to scan the Claude skills directory in the current working directory as the first root path for discovering agent skills. The provider will expose these skills as MCP resources, making them accessible to clients through the protocol.
Path home/Claude/skills, #user level fallback.
Constructs a file system path to the user's Claude skills directory by combining the home directory path with the hidden Claude subdirectory and the skills subdirectory. This creates a platform-independent path like ~Claude/skills that serves as a fallback location for user-level skill resources. The FastMCP 3 implementation leverages a hierarchical provider pattern to unify skill discovery across multiple file system locations. By configuring the SkillsDirectoryProvider with two root directories, project level and user level, it establishes a precedence-based fallback mechanism. The project-specific skills directory takes priority, while the user-level directory serves as a fallback, enabling both project-specific and shared skill management. This provider-based architecture aggregates resources from disparate sources into a single MCP interface, promoting modularity and reusability. The design ensures that skills are discoverable and accessible regardless of their physical location, making it ideal for development environments where skills may be shared across projects or teams. The key insight here is the seamless integration of multiple skill repositories through a unified provider, balancing flexibility with structured resource resolution.
The skill materializes where no path leads. Yet both directories claim to have searched.